Welcome to this video on specialized diodes and microwave devices. Today, we explore how these components go beyond the standard PN junction. Engineers modify the standard PN junction by altering its physical properties to achieve specific performance goals, allowing us to control light, speed, and microwaves. Semiconductors can interact with photons in unique ways. LEDs create light from electricity, photodiodes detect light, and solar cells absorb light to generate power. In an LED, electrical energy is converted into light. As electrons fall into holes across the bandgap, this transition releases energy in the form of visible photons. Conversely, a photodiode utilizes incoming photons to strike the semiconductor material. This action creates electron-hole pairs, which generate an electrical current. The Schottky diode features a metal semiconductor junction, eliminating the P-type material. This design allows the diode to switch at ultra-high speeds. A varactor diode functions as a variable capacitor. By adjusting the reverse bias voltage, we can change the depletion width and alter the capacitance value. Engineers select specific diodes for different tasks, as each device exploits unique physical properties to perform functions like voltage regulation or high-speed switching. Standard diodes often fail at ultra-high frequencies because their internal capacitance blocks microwave signals. To address this, engineers design new physical mechanisms. Microwave devices utilize negative resistance, where current drops as forward voltage rises. This inherent instability is what generates microwave oscillations. The tunnel diode achieves negative resistance through heavy doping. This allows electrons to tunnel directly through a thin barrier, a key quantum effect. The Gunn diode does not contain a PN junction. Instead, it uses a solid block of gallium arsenide, where high electric fields create a bulk effect. The IMPATT diode harnesses avalanche breakdown. Here, high voltage forces an electron avalanche, and carriers drift across the device to create power. These microwave devices rely on distinct physical phenomena, quantum tunneling, transferred electrons, or avalanche transit time, to solve the high-frequency challenge. You now understand how engineers manipulate physics in specialized solid-state devices to transcend the limits of the basic PN junction.